Guys, I know I promised you 5 videos the whole of this week, but the moment I made that promise last week when we were doing the weekly analysis, I don't know, it seems some supernatural being was over my shoulders listening to me because I've never been busier my entire life. This week, I've been busier. I was taking care of my mom's shop, so I've been busy, and then I'll be coming home tired. Can't make videos and edit them. So I'm sorry, but I'm here now Wednesday. So hopefully this Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 videos for you. I'm praying for that. I hope no one is listening. That will make me busy. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the most simple forex strategy that exists. Like, it's so simple that even when I teach you, are going to be like, is that all? Does it work? Come on, this is $1 trillion market. You can't use this simple things to make. That's how you're going to think. But guys, trust me, I've used this strategy to pass a lot of prof firms. Okay, so, and just like, let me make this clear, just like any strategy, there's not some kind of holy grail or something, but there's a strategy that is going to help you, gain an edge in the market. And then if you stay on this strategy consistently, your edge is going to play over a long period of time. And then also it's kind of more of like a day swing type of strategy, day trading, swing trading type. And my next video is going to be on a scalping strategy. So guys, make sure you like this one, comment and subscribe so that you'll be notified when I post the scalping strategy. So without wasting my time, let's just delve into it. So in this strategy, we are going to be using an indicator. An indicator called the weekly month breaks. So you go over to the indicator section. And then you type in weeks or month weeks break. This one by iCostan. Then you click on it. You see I've already favorited it, so here, and this is it right here. This is it. And for this one, I'm going to be turning, let's just do some settings. You're going to turn on, you come to the style and then you turn off the week breaks. Then on the month breaks, you click on the color section, you choose black. After choosing black, the thickness, this is okay. The opacity to, it's just more of your preference. So the one that you want, how you can see them. So guys, this is it. And we use the month break. So every section is going to be a monthly trading day. So you can see this one here is November. Then we have December. Then we have January. And then currently we have February, which is the current month that we are in right now. Okay. So like I said before, each session represents a particular month. So, April 2024, May 2024, June 2024, you guys get it. So that is just basically one part of it. And then the next part of it is going to be, you switch on to the line chart. Like, can you guys see something? Like, even though I've not said anything about the strategy, but can you pinpoint where the kind of direction I'm heading towards? Like, do you see what? Do you see how easy some things are becoming? How clearer it is? Yes. So this strategy will help you become disciplined. I promise you. Like, when you do what I tell you, this strategy will make you disciplined. Okay, so let me just get some things out of the way. We all know the market trends: higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, or lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. Okay. So what we're going to do on the daily chart is, when the market breaks, and also this strategy is the same support and resistance, but it's just that you are using a different approach. Breaks, you wait for the retest. It breaks, you wait for the retest. It breaks, you wait for the retest. Then you trade in the buys, and then on the sells you do the same opposite thing. It breaks, you wait for the retest. It breaks, you wait for the retest. It breaks, you wait for the retest. Like that. And also, this strategy is now going to be the one where you want to get more touches on the, no, 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 no. You're only trading the current turning point in the market. Don't go further. And also, you are only trading using that particular month's highs and lows. So in the particular month you are trading, you wouldn't be paying attention to the other months. Like, do you guys get what I'm trying to say? Okay, sorry, I was just getting some things out of the way. In the particular month that you are trading, you will not use anything from the previous month. No. So in December that you are trading, you will not be looking over your left side to place your levels. You only do that when you are setting targets and then stop loss. So in the month of December, this would have been the only price action you'd have paid attention to. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Okay, so for instance, in the month of December, this is 2nd December, that price open during that month. You forget everything that happened here, if you get me. So since market started rallying up to the upside here, this would have been your first turning point here. And then when markets made this high and then came down, this would have been your turning point here. Do you get it? And also, let me get something out of the way. The market that on the line chart doesn't always have to be a turning point. Sometimes we call something a curve, something like this. There's an example here. You see how this thing is not all that major turning point, but you can see this change in direction, sort of. If you want to see it clear, you can use the line with marks. So this is what I'm talking about. That would have been the recent one. And get it. So after doing that, that's when you're going to come to the 4-hour time frame. And then this is going to be its recent, and then what? Recent. So price what? Broke, we retested, then you sell. As simple as that. Let me go back to the bigger picture. Let me delete everything. So this would have been it. Guess where the daily curve is. So something like this. Break, retest, sell, break, retest. You see, you break, retest. If you go to the candlesticks, you can see it clearer. You see how we broke and retested this area. Sell. And also, although I said you can't use the previous month, but sometimes the one closer to the opening, you can use it. You can see the daily curve here again. Guys, I hope I'm not confusing you. This one, which was the recent before price came down. Then what did we do? Retest, sell, break. You retest it. If you go to the, here would have been it. You can also see this is also a daily curve here. So this curve was retesting this sell. Then we broke. You would have been waiting for that. You can also see another curve here. You see how it retested. You see how easy it is. It retested. Yeah. We broke. Retested. On the candlestick is retesting. Okay. Then again, we retested and then price broke this low. But on the candlestick, it hadn't broken, so you can see it even clear. Price never broke. Then price rallied all the way to the upside, breaking this point. Break. You can see this one. Retested. Buy. Break. And then what is market doing currently? This retest has already happened. You see at the beginning, this type of candle happened because of the gap and then news and then those kind of things. But you can see, so here, break, if retested, this one is closer to the opening, so you can use it. Retested, and then what? We are buying. So if we break above this, retest, then we buy until there is a change in what direction. Let me use this month to break. You retested, you can see the daily curve that I was talking about. You can see the point. Yes, on a candlestick too. You can see how we retested. You sell. Daily curve. We broke. Retested. Sell. Do you guys see where we are heading to? And you can see this sell also reacted the same way here for us to push the market down. Same thing for this month. Broke. We retested this. Let me see how many pips that would have been. 70, 80 pips plus. Some of the daily curve here. Then we retested. Then we were waiting for price to break this low here and retest. But price broke and then came back inside, signifying a change of character. Then we broke this high, made another high, we broke it, and then we retested. Broke it. Let me see if we retested. It's not always that price is going to retest, but you guys get it. It will give you that sense of direction. You also have this curve here for us to retest. Sometimes you get it, you get the retest the same day. So this green candle would have been the one retesting. Then we went to the upside. So like that. You guys see again. We broke, we were waiting for the retest. It never happened. We got a change of character, made a high. We broke. We did what again? Sorry. Anytime you place it on the line chart, you're supposed to come to the candlestick and then what? Adjust it. So because the line chart don't show well. The wicks. He broke. If you don't get a retest, it's fine. So this strategy will to make you very disciplined, because the moment you break, you are waiting for that what? Retest. And then if price doesn't retest and then runs through your retest, you know that what, there's going to be what, a change of character. Then I enter again, you know, this daily carrier, he broke. Price never got retested. Don't worry. Then price rallied all the way to the upside, created another curve, we broke. This time we retested. You see how it is? Okay, is it? This time we retested. We broke. We got the immediate retest. Then something like this. We broke. You'd have been waiting for the retest, but then price came back inside again. Then this time, you know, there's a change of character. We broke this structure here. What did we get? The retest. And this time, these points will be your targets. So you guys get a clear idea of what I'm talking about. You see how it has become. Now on a far time frame, you see the break, the retest, the break, the retest. Like sometimes it's not always going to be that perfect retest, but you know, you get it. It's supposed to be here because we didn't get the wicks on the line. See, we broke, we retest, we broke, we retest, came to retest again, went down. You see how it is. And when you start one direction, you are going to be trading that direction until there's a change of character. So let's say this market would have been here. I'm always looking for that sales until the markets come back into this line. Give me a change of character, creates a high, break, wait for the retest, then like that. So this one makes the rules so simple. The retest is not always going to be perfect. So you guys get it. This will make you focus on that particular month without having to go back and then watch the number of touches, blah, 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 blah. Come on.